friends, and welcome to day 22 of the Let's Get Blitzin' Cocktail Advent Calendar. Today, we are making the tropical Turtledove. Yes, that's right. We are making a spin on the classic Jungle Bird, which is a tiki cocktail that balances the citrus and sweetness with a little hit of Campari for a bitter finishing note that adds balance and complexity to the cocktail. I made this one on CTV Audible Morning Live on Tuesday at 9:50 a.m. If you missed it, fear not, I have put the link in bio so you can see this bad bitch in action on television. Today's episode is sponsored by my dearest friends at Chef's Paradise, who encourage cursing in my Chef's Paradise Live classes, and this cocktail is specifically inspired by the popularity of my Tiki cocktail class I hosted with Chef's Paradise Live with my good friend Chef Walid. We did 2 Tiki cocktails, 2 Tiki dishes. It was an ambitious curriculum, but the students of Professor Tipple and Chef Walid managed to keep it together. They got drunk, they were fed, it was good times had by all. So keep an eye out on the calendar, Chef's Paradise Live, for what's coming up in 2022 and where yours truly will be. And what I'll have in store. Who knows yet? We have to figure that out. Let's go ahead and get started, shall we? You will need an aged amber rum. I am using Diplomatico Reserva, a Venezuelan rum, a premium rum aged for 12 years. You'll also need your Campari, as I mentioned, banana liqueur, your lime clementine cordial, some pineapple juice, Aztec Chocolate Bitters, and lime juice, and a couple of bananas, and you'll need a little bit of sugar. And you will also need your favorite cocktailing accessory, the culinary torch. I need a spoon, which will come in handy when we get to bruleeing our bananas. Bananas Foster is one of my favorite desserts, I'll have you know, so any opportunity to brulee a banana is a good day in my household, my friends. Shall we? Shall we do this? We're gonna do 1.5 ounces of our aged amber rum. Woo! Comes out quick. Comes out quick. 1.5 ounces into your shaker tin. 3/4 of an ounce of Campari. In case you've been living under a rock, I have teamed up with my good friends at Chef's Paradise to put together this lovely gift package that you see behind me, the Taste and Tipple Ultimate Starter Kit. Because the number one question I get from you guys, 1/2 ounce of banana liqueur, is what do I need to start my home bar? Or I have a friend or a partner, a colleague, who is cultivating an interest in cocktailing, and I'd like to support them so that I can benefit from their newfound passion. That was 1/2 ounce of banana liqueur, 1/2 ounce of our lime clementine cordial. I think this is the last time I need this. It is good because I'm almost out. 1 ounce of pineapple juice. Anyway, the kit includes everything that you'll need to shake and stir with aplomb. You just need to bring your best smile, as you know. 1 ounce of pineapple juice. 1/2 ounce of third of an ounce freshly squeezed lime juice, because we already got some lime juice in the cordial, recall. Perfect. Love when that happens. Last but certainly not least, we're going to add six dashes of 6 of our Aztec Chocolate Bitters. We're going to need a glass. Highball glass, tiki glass. Let's shake. Glass. We'll need to add some crushed ice. I have Lewis bagged and malleted the shit out of this ice. And we're going to fill up about halfway. I know it's sometimes easier if you put the straws in first before the ice, so you're not trying to work around the ice. A little kind of dessert inspired with the bitterness of the Campari. Got some crushed ice in my highball glass. Often Tiki cocktails will leave you with a finished product the color of dirty dishwater, but by adding Campari, seasonally appropriate. May we? So the kit includes $215. That is a banger of a deal, my friends. I don't know if you're aware, but barware, it ain't cheap, but we've packaged it up and you're getting great value, but just for you, Taste and Tipple lovers, super fans, those of you who've built a shrine to me. You get $40 off if you use my exclusive discount code TIPPLEKIT, capital T, all the rest lowercase, TIPPLEKIT. Okay, now we need to brûlée our bananas. So in there you've got a beautiful Parisian shaker, a mixing glass, bar spoon, jigger, large ice cube tray, aromatic bitters, orange bitters, cocktail picks, citrus juicer, wide peeler, fine mesh sieve. It is like the whole works. Everything that you need to get the party started, so to speak. And if you use my discount, if you're not in the market for all of that and you just want 1 or 2 pieces, you can use my discount code TIPPLE10, 10, to get 10% off your order online. You can also pick up in store. Are you seeing what I did there? I have 2 slices of bananas. I sprinkled it with some granulated sugar. Now I'm using my favorite kitchen accessory, the kitchen torch, to brûlée the sugar on the banana. On the banana! Oh yes. It smells like caramel. What more could you want? It's not super conducive to skewering. I tried it. Didn't work. So we're just gonna tuck them into our mound of crushed ice. Comme ça. Cheers, tropical turtledove. I know this is going to be a favorite for some of you. I could just eat a million of these. Does it make it less healthy if I cut the banana into thin slices and I just drown it in sugar and light it up? If that's wrong, I don't want to be right. I don't want to be right. So, I don't know if you were aware, Christmas is just around the corner. Order your kit online today. Today, do it now. Do not delay. Taste and Tipple Ultimate Starter Kit, Chef's Paradise. Okay, I'll put the link. Go buy. Use the discount code TIPPLEKIT, $40 off, $175 for all of that. That is a steal of the deal. Also, I didn't know what the hell a turtledove was, so I googled it, and I came up with a Britannica. Do you remember Britannica Encyclopedia? You know, the discs? Did you guys have that? Am I old? Did you have it? You had it. Anyway, it still exists apparently. They have a website. What a concept. A turtledove is a very attractive looking dove. It's a real thing. And in spite of its popularity in Christmas songs, we don't have it here. No, none in Canada. They're native to Europe and North Africa, and there's a few of them in Florida and California, I believe. So there you go. Now I'm an ornithologist, mixologist. I love this. I love it a lot. It is delicious. It has everything going on. You've got some acid from the pineapple and the lime. You've got a spicy, tangy kick from your lime clementine cordial. You've got the sweetness of the Venezuelan rum. You've got the chocolate nut with our 6 dashes of Aztec Chocolate Bitters. You've got the Campari. You've got the banana liqueur for a little funky, fresh time. I think you're gonna love it. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow for day 23. We're almost there, my friends.